Verse 21, it is therefore necessary that if of the men who have been with us all the time that the Master, Yahawashi, went in and out among us. And so Peter is getting ready to say, look, he chose 12, and so it's necessary that we got to pick someone else to replace Judas. It's necessary that of the men that was with us all this time, that we was with the Master, Yahawashi, the ones that are among us, we got to pick someone to replace Judas. Verse 2, excuse me, that was 21. This is verse 22. I left off the 2. Sorry about that. Beginning from the baptism of John unto that same day that he was taken up from us, must one be ordained to be a witness with us of his resurrection. And so Peter is saying the person that has been among us has been with us since we heard about the baptism of John until Yahawashi, till his resurrection. And so that's how long he's been with us. So he can be qualified to be one of the disciples, the chosen disciples, apostles of the Most High. So that's the qualification.